Okay, got Blackstone griddle, 28-incher. Really like it. I really like the fact that I got enough room to put enough for more than one person on here at a time. Just made myself some supper. I couldn't resist it, even though I'm only here alone right now. But I did not like the fact that there was no way to cover it. So I took an old piece of pan that my wife scavenged up from somebody that was scrapping it. I bought some aluminum. I'm not very good at this, but I added a little bit of aluminum to the sides of the pan. I got a couple of rods, made a hinge. And now I have myself a lid for my Blackstone griddle. It does look a little rough, but I did wash it thoroughly, believe it or not. So it's cleaner than it looks. But not perfect, but I really like it so far.